I do have a couple items that I have from Bath and Body Works. I enjoy buying stuff from Bath and Body Works because they always have these sales. But okay, y'all, so I am just going to, I have a little box here, but I'm just gonna go through my little collection. Now keep in mind, I used to have like a real huge collection, but I'm starting my collection back. So let's go ahead and get into the stuff. Okay, so the first one I have here is the butterfly. The butterfly one smells so freaking good, like, girl. So it's like a sweet, kind of like more so on a sweet side. Yes. So this is the Butterfly by Bath and Body Works, the body cream, and I also have, I thought I had the spray, but I don't have the, oh, I do have the spray, y'all, but it's in my car. So the spray smells amazing, but yeah, so the butterfly smells really good. Like I said, it's more so on the sweet side. So if you don't like the sweet side, then, but it's like a sweet and a floral mixed together. So if you like sweet and floral, definitely go pick you up the butterfly one. Okay, so another body cream that I do have is the Sparkling Surf. It has coconut water and it has margarine pop. So this one right here, oh y'all, this ain't it, this ain't, okay, let's just say Bath and Body Works, this came from Victoria's Secret, so Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret haul. All right, so this one right here is like a, so this one is more so like a clean smell. It's like more clean, fresh. It's nothing floral about this, nothing floral and nothing sweet. But the only thing I can say about this, it reminds you of like more so a little bit of what you call it, cotton. Like y'all ever smell like a lotion that's cotton, kind of like a linen, you know, like smell good linen. That's what this one smells like, but it smells good. And I'm sorry, y'all, I have a lot of mix-ups in this little box, so I do have some of Victoria's Secret in this box too. So yeah, so I also have the Sparkling Surf body mist. Now this body mist smells amazing. So like I said, it has coconut water and like margarine drops, so basically orange. So it's a mixture of like the margarine and it's a mixture of the coconut. If you like coconut, I suggest you definitely go ahead and pick you up this, because the coconut, it smells really good, but it's not overpowering. And then the margarine drop, I feel like anything citrus, y'all, that is in any type of body mist, any type of perfumes, any type of lotions, anything that is citrus is always gonna add some type of cleanliness smell to the product. Okay, so I really enjoy like buying stuff that has kind of like a little citrus in it, whether that's lemon, whether that's lime, whether that's oranges. Girl, definitely go pick this up. Like I said, this is more so on the clean side, like cotton, linen type of deal. Okay, definitely pick you up. Like I said, it's nothing sweet about it. All right, now the next one that I have here is also from Victoria's Secret. I have a mixture of Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret. This is one of my old school holy grails, girl. This is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. Okay, so Pure Seduction, you can never go wrong with Pure Seduction. For my oldies, y'all already know Pure Seduction used to be one of those girls, as well as that Love Spell child. But you have to mix this. If you don't want to just wear it by yourself, then you definitely need to mix it with like a more sweeter perfume. So a lot of times with these body mists, I like to mix my stuff up with the perfumes. Okay, so I don't usually wear my body mist by itself, because I feel like in order for your body mist and perfumes to have like a longevity, you definitely have to mix it, and also you have to wear some type of like body cream or Vaseline or body oil on your skin in order for all of that to last. But that's a whole nother video, child. Okay, But anyway, Pure Seduction is more so on the sweet side. Again, this is from Victoria's Secret. Now another one is kind of new. This one is the Honey Mist from Victoria's Secret body mist, and it smells exactly to me. To me, it's like it has like a vanilla undertone to it. The notes on here is honey drizzle, purple dahlia, and whipped vanilla. So like I said, it has vanilla undertone to it. So all of my girlies that like vanilla, child, go ahead and pick you up this Honey Mist. I also have the body wash. Girl, when I tell you, the body wash. Hold on. Let me go get it. Okay, so like I said, I have the body wash. Y'all, when I tell y'all, y'all definitely need to go pick up this Honey Wash by Victoria's Secret. This stuff, oh my goodness. When I tell you, this is the softest body wash that keeps your skin feeling like a baby's bottom, feeling smooth, soft, just, girl, what? Go pick y'all up this Honey Wash body wash. When I tell you, the next time I go to Victoria's Secret, I am definitely going to go pick this up along with more scents. This one right here is the Honey Wash. I have the Honey Wash body wash. I have the Honey Mist to go with this, and I also have the honey oil. Y'all, this honey oil is almost gone. This stuff all together, when I tell you, I don't know what they put in this stuff. I don't know what they put in this stuff, but when I tell y'all, this stuff will have your body so smooth and shiny and feeling good. Y'all know how you get out the bathtub, right, and you just the shower or whatever, and you spray yourself down and you oil your body down and you just feel good, honey. You want to go get you a glass of wine with some fruit on the side, boo, and go ahead and watch you a movie with your man, honey, because you know you smell good and you know your body's soft. That's this. Y'all better go, look, y'all better go pick it up. Go get it. Go get it. Okay, so that is that. I just got excited about that. I should have showed y'all that last, but anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and keep it moving. Now the next body mist I do have is the Pure Wonder. This Pure Wonder smells really good. Let's see, I don't think, okay, so the notes in this is ice rose, star jasmine, and warm white amber. So the base note, like the note that I really smell on here is the ice rose. Anything that has rose in it to me fits on my skin. You know, like everybody is different. Everybody body type is different. Everybody, you know, scent is different. So you definitely want to try different body sprays that is definitely going to fit on your skin chemistry, on your body chemistry and whatever. So I noticed with a lot of different body sprays or perfumes that I use, I like having any type of sprays that has like the rose in it. Any type of rose scent, girl, fits good on my skin. So that's why I had to definitely pick this one up, because it has that rose to it. And not only do I have the body spray, but I also have the body cream. So the body cream smells exactly like the body spray. But let me tell y'all something. So when it comes to like body cream and body butters, I enjoy, you know, putting the body creams or body butters on after I put like some type of Vaseline or body oil on, because it locks in the moisture. Okay, now one thing I noticed about the body creams, y'all, it definitely have your skin really shiny. And you know how you could put on some lotion or even a body cream or body butter, you'll put it on, but it makes your skin kind of look dry. So with Bath and Body Works products, it doesn't do that. You know, it does not do that at all. So that's why that's what I appreciate about their body creams. But again, this is the Pure Wonder. It has the rose scent. Again, the notes is ice rose, star jasmine, and warm white amber. Okay, so the next one that I do have is this Dahlia by Bath and Body Works. Now without looking at the notes, this definitely has vanilla in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the notes to it. It's a velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. So whipped tonka bean, I believe that's like that vanilla bean, if I'm not mistaken, girl. I have to go Google it and see. But this is more so on the vanilla side. Like the vanilla in this body spray is like very strong. So you can definitely tell that it has some type of vanilla in it. So for all of my vanilla girlies, go ahead and pick this up. I don't have the lotion to this one, y'all, but she smells really, really good. If you don't want to smell like, you know, any type of love spell or pure seduction, like a sweet, real sweet back in the days type scent, then definitely get you like a classy, sophisticated. This scent here is like a classy, sophisticated grown woman type scent. This one and pure seduction, okay? Now, the next one that I do have, and these are the last ones, this one is Among the Clouds. Y'all, this body spray reminds me of Ariana Grande perfume, because her perfumes is usually like on the sweet side, and I love sweet scents. That's the type of perfume I usually go towards, y'all, is the ones that has the sweet scents to it. But, oh, goodness. This one right here smells amazing. So it has wild berry skies and whipped vanilla clouds, okay? So again, this one is called Among the Clouds, and I also have the body cream with it. And I have to put this one on too, girl, just because I want to. But like I said, the notes is really, 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 really good. It has berry skies, so anything like fruity. So basically it's fruity, it's sweet. So if you like, oh my gosh, that smells good. So if you like the fruity scents and if you like the sweet scents, definitely go pick y'all up the Among the Clouds. Again, it reminds you of the Ariana Grande perfume. Now, what I like about Bath and Body Works too, I like seeing the ingredients on the back, because it definitely shows you. It says it has vitamin E, it has aloe vera, it has shea cocoa butter, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, hyaluronic acid. So that's the ingredients in this body cream. I believe majority of their body creams, it has those ingredients. But y'all, that is my haul for today. My Bath and Body Works and slash little bit of Victoria's Secret in it. I forgot I had Victoria's Secret in this basket, so honey, I just went ahead and showed y'all my little haul here. But definitely don't forget about that honey wash honey from Victoria's Secret, girl, because baby, when I tell y'all, out of all the products that I shown y'all today, the best ones, I'm over here stuttering, the best ones is the honey wash, okay? So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to this video. Comment down below, let me know what are your favorites from Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret or wherever, honey, wherever you shop, okay? Love y'all.